Jason, get the dead spider. Gross. No, he wants that spot clean. That's my spot. Ugh.
What's on his face?
Filth. Car filth. He's going to need to be hosed off after. Washa, washa, washa. Ah. Daddy, I need the bucket over here. Mine. Is it hot? We're going to wash the ladder. The step stool is clean.
Awesome.
Thanks, Jason. Jason, can you wash Mommy's car? Daddy's doing the front up here. See where Daddy is?
Hi.
There he is. Say hi, Daddy. Okay, bye. Ah! Do you need help? Ah! Hold on, hold on.